Hello, guys. Welcome back to our NNN series in which we are learning AI automation and building cool AI agents. In this video, we will see how you can use the Perplexity API to generate response based on the web search and the AI agent. So for that, we will use this chat trigger node, followed by another AI agent node, to which we would connect a chat model, that is a simple opening a chat model. GPT 4.1 mini, and another HTTP request. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is add a curl command. Okay, we'll add a curl command. So boom, we have everything over here, but we gotta toggle off the send headers, and we gotta choose a generic credential type, and that's header auth. So yeah, Perplexity successfully connected. Now let's try whether this is working or not. If we write hi, yep, it's working. Now we also gotta configure the AI agent. Everything seems perfect over here. Now in the HTTP request, we'll go and make some little tweaks over here. So like you see, what we're doing here is we just hard coded the content, the input the user gives, which is how many stars are there in our galaxy. But we don't want it to be this way. We want that whatever we write in the chat is processed and converted to a search term so that the keywords are searched and not the whole chat. So instead of this, we'll use a simple trick, which is write double curly quotes within which write a dollar sign from AI. It's a method, it's a function that's used to extract the keywords. Let's name this search term, and it does not have to be just search term, it can be anything that's intuitive for the AI to understand. And this is essentially indicating that it needs some search term from the AI agent to search on the web, get some citations, some websites, based on which it's gonna then produce some text, some content. Okay, so we just inserted the variable. I mean, this is not exactly a variable. This is rather a function. But yes, so we already have the chat input dynamic variable present in the AI agent node. Now let's see if we write the best fictional movies, or rather a more complex statement like what are the best fictional movies. And let's see what happens. It looks like it produced an error. Oh, so it's a pretty silly error because you need to have this in double quotes. The search term has to be in double quotes because it's a terminology, right? It's not something that's derived from somewhere else. So now this should work perfectly. Oops. Here you go. Yep, so here you have. Now let's see what's happening in this HTTP request. Let's just name this web search to make it more intuitive for the AI agent. Okay. Now let's just write that again. Yep. So what it produced is some of the best fictional movies, especially in the science fiction genre, are. So it's working perfectly fine. Our search term is best fictional movies, so we know that it's working fabulously and perfectly. Now that you understood how you can use this to search the web with the use of Perplexity API, now let's move on to the next video. Till then, stay tuned.